The Nuffi NOS 75 is the brand's first all-aluminum low-profile keyboard featuring its third-generation low-profile switches with hot-swappable south-facing sockets, unique and interesting gas-fit design, omni-mount flexibility that was initially introduced on the Nuffi Gem 80, and all the modern sound dampening material you'll ever need in a premium but relatively affordable package. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's get into it. As always, honest disclaimer, this video is not sponsored or paid. Nuffi did not send this to me. In fact, I just borrowed this from a friend so that I can share with you my honest thoughts. With that said, let's explore what this premium low-profile keyboard is all about. What stands out to me the most about the Nuffi NOS 75 is its design and construction. There's no doubt about that. It features a sleek and minimal design with flat and curved edges. It also features a nice looking exploded 75% layout, and with a clean design and layout, it's perfect for all kinds of themed keycaps like what we have here. The Maya imprint set, which by the way, you'll have to purchase separately. The build quality, as anyone would expect from a full aluminum construction, is really good. It weighs almost around 2 kilograms. In front, you'll get an idea about the flat and curved edges that I just mentioned, and then on the side, we have a couple of side lighting on both sides and a sort of floating-like design thanks to its unique angled base. More on that in a second. However, due to its unique design, we lose the flexibility of height adjustment. On the back side, we have the USB Type-C port at the center. Notice that there's no connectivity switch that is usually located here on almost all Nuffi keyboards. That is because this keyboard is only wired. More on that as well later. At the bottom, we have a massive base featuring the gas-fit design, which instead of the usual rubber feet, uses a hollow silicone gasket inspired by standard lunchbox lid. Very interesting. Compared to the usual rubber feet, the air inside provides more cushion and sound absorption. In addition, you can also purchase the separate PVT-coated counterweight for more style points. The stock counterweight is made of aluminum. Now, since this keyboard isn't mine, I won't take the liberty to dissect it, but essentially, we have all the necessary sound dampening materials inside with plate foam, switch pad, plastic film sound dampener, PCB foam, and of course, bottom silicone dampener. In addition, this keyboard also features the omni-mount design that was initially introduced on the Nuffi Gem 80 but was actually designed first for the Nuffi NOS 75. With this, you'll have up to 4 different mounting options with silicone socket, silicone bean, silicone strip, and screw plus silicone. If that's not enough flexibility for you, you can also purchase other plate materials such as aluminum, polycarbonate, carbon fiber, and POM. The stock plate is FR4. Now, as I alluded to earlier, you'll have to purchase a set of keycaps separately, and you can choose from a variety of themed NSA keycaps from Nuffi, including the Cymatics and Cymatics Reverse, Carved Prairie, Shiokaze, Space Engineer, and what we have here, Maya imprint. This is made out of PBT plastic with dye-sublimated legends. This means it's durable with permanent legends. The thickness is around 1.5 millimeters. As for the switches, what we have here is the Nuffi N1 Nano, Nuffi's third generation low-profile switch. What's impressive about this is that it features a 3.4mm travel distance similar to a standard Cherry MX Silver, but is significantly shorter, arguably smoother, and slightly heavier for a more precise typing experience. You can get this in either a non-prelude or prelude variant. What we have here is the latter. The stabilizers are okay with a good amount of lubricant. It doesn't have a sound dampening material underneath the spacebar though, but maybe it doesn't really need one. By the way, you can use regular Cherry style keycaps with this keyboard, but that would totally defeat its purpose. But if you're crazy enough to do that, then by any means. Now, before I share with you the rest of my thoughts, here's a quick sound test for you guys. Now, one significant drawback of an all-aluminum keyboard like this is that it's only limited to wired mode. This is why every single mechanical keyboard with a wireless connectivity feature has some sort of plastic material that acts as a window for the wireless signal. I wish Nuffi decided to still include that here to make this ideal for any type of consumer. I, for one, wouldn't get this keyboard for that simple reason. I have limited desk space, so I prefer wireless peripherals if possible, maybe on this version too. Now, since there's no wireless connectivity, the LEDs on the side are just for lighting effects and indicators for caps lock, operating system, and sleep mode. This keyboard also has RGB lighting thanks to its SMD LEDs, but since the keycaps are not shine-through, it's barely visible. Now, in terms of software, it's nice to see that Nufy has decided to use QMK/VIA instead of their proprietary Nufy console, which is actually what we're already observing on their new keyboard releases, except of course for their Hall effect keyboards. Overall, to conclude, if you can get past the fact that it's only a wired keyboard, the Nufy NOS 75 offers a unique design and character while having the flexibility of customizing its sound and feel with its omni-mount design and multiple plate options. The sleek and minimal design provides the premium feel and unrivaled aesthetics for its price. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, this video is not sponsored or paid, and I would like to say thank you to my friend Rashid of Tito Gaming for letting me borrow his keyboard. I suggest you watch his full review after this to learn more. And by the way, should you decide to get this keyboard, please use my affiliate link below to help me sustain this channel. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you appreciate this video, and see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.